Greetings to all my fellow watch enthusiasts on Facebook and YouTube and wherever else this video is being shared. It's Celine Driver again. I've got another unboxing video. This one was a long time in the making. This is a Kickstarter watch. One of a few that I still have left hanging out there. Well, obviously not hanging out there anymore. The watch is here. This watch is from Auguste Reymond. This was a campaign that I originally backed in early 2017. There was an ambitious campaign on their part. It did not get fully funded, and they came back instead a few months later with one watch, and launched that campaign in September of 2017. I was backer number 4 for this campaign on September 15th, 2017 for their Cotton Club Q Orbital Moon Watch. That's a mouthful, I admit, but it was one of their main watches on the original campaign, which didn't get funded, and they brought it back for this one. And after a slight delay due to a manufacturing problem with one of their parts, was evidently made too big for the case. It was delayed from February delivery until a late June 2018 delivery. But it's here, and we're going to take a look at it. Now, admittedly, I have already taken this thing out and worn it, sized up the band and worn it, and it is it's nice. But let's see, the outer box opens up and we have this beautiful wooden box, and down here amongst the lining is a very nice bound up manual in English, Deutsch, and I don't know, Russian? And they call it a passport. It looks like a passport. It really does. And it's very detailed. It actually is a manual that covers different watches, including the Cotton Club here. But it covers all different watches that they make on their website. And it also came with an extra standard band. Well, not standard, actually, just an extra band with no buckle on it, because this is a deploy clasp butterfly. They sent me another band in the same color as what's on the watch, so I'm not really sure what that's about, but I'm going to keep that. It might work well on another watch. Anyway, to the box. Beautiful wooden box, shiny piano-like finish, double hinged, solid. And inside we have, ta-da! Well, for one thing, we have a great logo on there, Auguste Reymond, Swiss watches. Beautifully done. Let's move that for a second. They send you a instruction supplement, which is geared more towards this specific watch. It covers the different movements, ronda movement, the different calibers. I'll just put that back down there. And a little pusher tool, because some of the complications on this watch are set with little pushers here and here, and that's it. Anyway, that's a nice to have. And we have nice leather. Oh, it's leather lined. It feels like leather. And we have a nice little leather pillow. which I'll put over here. We don't need you anymore either. Goodbye, pillow. And we have the watch. And it is a very pretty watch. This is their Cotton Club Moon Phase. It's blue face. They also have a black and silver phase. And it is overall a very nice piece. Obviously, a quartz watch being so thin, plus you can see the tick, tick, tick of the movement. It is a hackable movement, by the way. I will prove that. See? Hackable. Let's see. We have several complications here. We have a moon phase here, which is probably off a little bit. We're almost at a full moon for this month, so I'll fix it on the day of the full moon. We have date complication. We have days of the week complication. I just love the formal look of this watch. I mean, I bought this watch, admittedly, I bought this watch in September of 2017. And my tastes were different then. My knowledge level was different then. So this is not a watch, admittedly, this is not a watch I would normally buy today, being June 2018, but nor would I dismiss it. But I would think about it more because I'm moving away from quartz watches. But I think I will keep this one. Certainly a pretty watch. Nice polish on the case. Nice blue bezel with a little hint of gold to it. Let's see. We have a stainless steel butterfly clasp. That wasn't too terribly difficult. Has the Auguste Reymond crest to it, but not a signed crown. I found that to be interesting when I first took it out of the box. And we're probably going to lose that keeper. It's unhappy. Anyway, just a nice looking, semi-formal to business type looking watch. Have some specs here for you. As I said, I backed this campaign September 15th, 2017. It was their second attempt. I am backer number 4, so I got in there real quick. Let's see. It is a Swiss quartz movement, as I said, a Ronda, if that's how you pronounce it. I'm not really sure. Its caliber is AR.L706.1. Sapphire crystal. 80 meter water resistance. So other than a nice spritz of a shower, a rain shower, something like that, not something you want to jump in a pool with. It's a stainless steel case with the, obviously the coloring is PVD coated. It is a 42 millimeter diameter, so wears just perfectly on my wrist. 48 millimeter tip to tip, or lug to lug if you prefer. 22 millimeter lug width. And a very nice, slim 9.2 millimeter thick. So it'll wear nicely under the cuff of a long sleeve shirt. As I showed you, it's a butterfly deploy clasp. Good solid clicks, as you can hear. Push button release. And as I said, it does fit very nicely on my 7 point whatever inch wrist. I thought it was 7.5, but some folks on the internet have disputed that, so rather than get into an argument about how big my wrist is, which I don't care, I just say it's over 7 inches. So it wears just where I want it to wear. The strap is a little stiff right now. It needs to break in. Nice alligator pattern on the. It's a leather strap, genuine leather alligator pattern. Very nice. Doesn't impinge on wrist movement with the crown, which is a nice oversized kind of an onion-like crown, and just it's a nice presentation. I am not unhappy with my purchase, not a bit, and I'm thinking that the weight on this was definitely worth it. I mean, there was a screw up during manufacture. The creators of the campaign freely, which was not their own, and kept us updated in terms of production, and then actually even switched shipping methods. It was originally supposed to come to the United States from Europe via DHL. I actually made the suggestion that they consider looking at UPS, and they did and found the rate was better. And my watch arrived via UPS in 3 days from Switzerland. 3. Take that, post office. Can't even get a package across the country in 3 days. And they managed to cross an ocean and do customs. 3 days. Take notes. So the backers, not the backers, but the creators of the campaign were excellent people to work with. And I'm very happy with working with them, and I'm happy with the product. So I think Auguste Reymond will be a watchmaker that I'm going to keep on my list going forward, and looking forward to their next offerings, and perhaps maybe picking something up on the website. So I'm going to leave it there. Very happy with this Kickstarter acquisition. They should all be so easy and so well done at the end. So if you like the video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Comments down below, please. I love reading them. I will respond to every one of them. And consider subscribing. And if you do, don't forget to click the little bell icon so that when I make a new video, you are informed of it. And there we go. I will look forward to seeing you in my next video.